Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are doing fabulous today. Hope y'all are doing great. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you for joining the family. Please feel free to watch some older videos and get familiar with your girl, okay? Oldies but goodies. Thank you for keeping up with Lady Shelly. Really appreciate you guys so much. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, please me, I'm begging you, if one person watch this video, please guys, I'm asking you please to share it with someone. Ask them to share it with someone else for me, please. That's all I'm asking. Alright guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm updating my son's bedroom for him. It's a surprise. Yes, so I hope you like it. I hope he likes it too. And stick around and see how this turns out. Alright guys, thank you so much. Bye. This is how it's looking now. I'm starting painting. I'm almost done with the ceiling. I didn't bother to video that, but I'm just showing you where I'm at. Finishing up the ceiling, and then when I'm done with the ceiling, I'll come back and show you when I'm doing the other color. Okay, alrighty, bye. Okay girl, so this is where we're at. We're starting with the new color, and it's dark blue like you requested. So that's where we're at. I'm just trying to finish up. Hopefully I can finish today. The room is not that big, so hopefully I can finish today, and then tomorrow we can start decorating. Okay y'all, see you for now. Bye for now. Guys, we are finally done with painting. Can you believe this took me all day? Oh my god, into the next day. OMG, it's 3 a.m. guys. So this wall is gonna be covered in this 3D wall thingy, so I didn't bother to do this wall, but everywhere else. But I am so tired, I'm not gonna do nothing else till daylight, because it's 3 a.m. now, just a little past 3 a.m. now. So I am going to shower, rest. I am so dirty, look at me. So I'm gonna take a shower, see if I can get some rest. So I'll see you later. Okay, bye guys. This is me trying to get that 3D wall tile on to the wall. I went out and I got some Patex. Honestly, it was struggling me, but to God be the glory. I got it. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Alright y'all, so we finished this wall. It wasn't so easy, but I just had to wait until the patex dry a bit, and then I went ahead. So I thought I had enough, that is why I left this wall, but I didn't. I don't have enough, so I'm gonna have to just paint out this wall, and then to finish up this wall, I'm gonna I have a black paint, so I'm gonna paint in all those little areas that you're seeing. I'm gonna use the black paint to camouflage that, and then I'm just gonna do this wall now quick and fast. So meanwhile this wall are dry, I'm gonna just go and tidy up back the place because I am so tired, OMG. But yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm gonna just paint out this wall, and then I'll come back as soon as me I go tidy up back and straighten up back and fix up back and stuff like that. Alright guys? Okay. Okay guys, so finally we are now starting to decorate, put back the place together, and see how everything comes to life. I hope you're still here with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share. Please tell a friend to tell a friend, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video when I post. Okay, thank you so much. Until next time, walk good and stay blessed. Bye. Okay, y'all, so after 2 long days, this is the result. This is how it turns out. The blue is popping. I hope you're still here with me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And please, guys, if there's only one person that's watched this video, please, I am begging you, just share it with somebody, please, and ask them to share it with somebody else. I just add 2 little flowers up there. I don't know if he's gonna like it because he's so weird and funny. This is his little game thingy. I just put back. I didn't do too much because he will come and fling out where him no want. So this is his little basket that his little hamper that he keeps his clothes in. That is a little teddy bear that is that some girl give him. And I take it, and I throw it out. If you want to throw it out when him come, him throw it out. But this is what it look like now. I like the blue and the gold on the wall. I'm gonna add some wall decor, but I can't do that without him because, as me say, he's very weird and funny, and he's a simple guy. He will come and say, "Mommy, that's fine. I don't want anything on there." So I can't just add whatever I want to, because if it's up to me, I would have something there. I think I want to do something on this wall though, but this is what it is for now. I'm still not done with that wall, but I can't do any more right now because I'm tired. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, walk good and stay blessed. Bye.